when you don't know something, it's just ridiculous. Look. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Yes, Tyler. What happened? You wanna say good morning? What is this? What is this? Shoes? Shoes? You want to put them on? Come, sit. Let's put them on. He likes to take his shoes to me and then... Thank you. Mama have to put them on. There you go. There you go with your shoes on. Say hello. Say hello. You showing them your shoes? Pretty shoes? Pretty shoes over your page? It's time for you to eat and go get a bath, you know that, right? Right? Shoes. You guys, I was just in the mirror playing with my makeup that I bought yesterday, and when you don't know something, it's just ridiculous. Because I bought mascara, because my mascara that I've been using is it's feeling light, so I know it's soon finish. And I bought a mascara that says, it didn't says what color, it just say for volume. And I like when I put mascara, my eyelash really pops, because I don't wear eyelashes. I just work with my natural eyelash. So mascara just say for volume, so I just pick it up. Just now I pulled the mascara, and inside the mascara color is blue. Really blue? Does people really wear blue mascara? I guess makeup artists, they work with it, but I've never seen a blue mascara before, so I was pretty surprised. I didn't know that there were different color mascaras. Anyway, so now I'm gonna have to end it up, just do away with that and look for mascara that is black, because I thought all mascara was black, so I didn't really pay attention to the color. But even still looking on it this morning, there is no color mark on it, it just says for volume. Anyways, enough of my ranting. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. I got up this morning and the time changed here over the weekend, so that totally messes up my routine. It totally messes up Tyler's routine for this morning. It didn't messes it up yesterday, maybe because I was up early, so he heard me and woke up on time. But this morning when I jump up, it was 9 o'clock. I'm like, oh my gosh, no. So by the time I look after Tyler and crawl out the bed and all that, it was already like 9:30. So I didn't bother to work out this morning, because it was already way into my workout time. I would be well on my way normally, so I didn't bother to work out this morning. I just pick up where I would normally be at that time of the morning. So yeah, I didn't get my workout in, but I will get my workout in at some point through the day today. So make sure you guys get your workout in. Stay motivated, stay positive. And Tyler is just here chatting away. What do you want to say for yourself?
Didi.
You just want to say Didi? 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 Yeah, baby's off to work. And
Mama.
yes, baby. I don't know what we're up to today. You wanna give kisses? Mwah. Give kisses. Mwah. I love you. Really bright and beautiful outside today. We don't have any rain today, so that's awesome. But let's see what the day holds. And this little boy, he's just super happy as usual. Yes, my love. I love you. I love you. He's just here. It's close to around his lunchtime. It's actually his lunchtime right now, so I'm gonna feed him, give him a bath, put him down for a nap, and get some work done. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. Say bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Say see you later. Give them kisses. Blow kisses. Tyler is done for a nap real quick, and while he does that, I am about to make me some lunch because I'm really hungry and I'm so busy getting so much things done. So I'm just gonna go ahead. Why can't I speak? I'm just gonna go ahead and make me some lunch. So for lunch today, I am making some salmon, but I'm only going to use one piece of this salmon, seeing that I only have two and baby's salmon crazy, so I'm gonna do the other piece for babe dinner while I do something else for me. So I'm gonna have a piece of this salmon with some lettuce for lunch. Okay, love, so this is lunch for today. I'm about to go in on this yummy, oh, my mouth is just watering already. I'm about to go in on this salmon veggie right now real quick. Little sweet boy, where are you going? Papa is at work, my love. Whoa, you guys, man, that's one of the best sessions ever. I feel so good. I feel so accomplished. Can you believe that I just ran 1 hour? How amazing is that? Look at me. I am dripping wet. I feel so good. There's just something about working out that just makes me feel like I can take over the entire world. There's just something about working out that makes me feel so good, makes me feel so powerful. Yes, baby, it makes me feel so strong. I feel energized. I feel like anything that was bothering me or anything that was going through my mind, it just completely vanished. It's like it was never there. It never happened. Guys, work out. You must work out. You have to work out. The feeling that I'm feeling, I'm sure anybody would want to feel this way. It's amazing. Your results will come. Work out. Even if you don't get results, just for the good feeling, work out. You'll thank me later. Okay, you guys, so I'm way into dinner hour, and I'm making, for dinner tonight, I'm making some green beans for babe, some shrimp for me, shrimp in oyster sauce, which I'm gonna just throw on some lettuce and I'm good to go. And for Tyler, I'm making some sweet potatoes and cauliflower, which I'm going to puree after this is finished. Baby's gonna have his green beans with this salmon. So that's what dinner looks like tonight. So this is the outcome of dinner. This is for mama, this is mine, and just some lettuce and some shrimp. This is babe, salmon. I give him a few pieces of the sweet potato and the beans, and Tyler is having sweet potato and cauliflower mash. So that's dinner. Dinner is ready and everybody's happy. This is what I love about spring, even though the time change messes up my routine. Yes, baby? I'm taking Tyler out for a little ball spin. Come on. Yes, my love. Yeah? This is what I love about spring. It's after 7 p.m. and the sun is just setting and it's still so bright and beautiful outside. Come on, baby. Let's go. Come on. So that's the sun setting right now, looking so beautiful. Get it, go get it. You don't want to go get it? Get it. Come. Come, look. Hey. Kick it. Kick it. Oh, that's what you want. Look. Look at this. Look. Whoa. Look. Come, come. Let's see more.
Mama.
Look. You guys, I told you that babe was running home from work and we're here watching the sunset and just saw him came through the gate. There he is, down there.
Papa.
See Papa coming up? There he is. There he is. He's right here. See Papa? Papa look like he's dying. I can't believe he ran home from work. Papa is dying.
Papa.
Papa, you see Papa? Go to Papa. Run! Run! Run to Papa! He's looking at you strange. How was that? You dying?
Papa.
You did it, my love, and you reach home early. Man, look at him. How was it?
That's hard.
How was the hill? It must be rough.
Yeah. I stopped 2 times.
Only 2?
Yeah.
That's very good, babe. Baby's home. The sunset is in my eye. There's a sunset still right there. You guys, babe is home. He did his run and he ran all the way home from work. I'm so proud of you. Look at your face. Your face is red like a lobster. The sun was that hot? Look at them. You're dying. You're watching the sunset. Come, let's show Papa your trick.
This and this, I think I could have managed better.
Show Papa your trick. Look, show Papa the trick. Blow. Space. Space. Say bye bye. Give them kisses. Mwah. Good job. I realized that I haven't given you guys any Jamaican expression for today, so I'll give you another insulting word. Baby's joining me. So the Jamaican expression for today is "Ol your corner."
All you corner.
Not whole. Ol.
All.
Ol.
All.
Use a H. Ol.
Oil.
No. O.
U.
Ol.
All.
Ol.
All.
Right.
All. All.
Ol your corner.
Oh, all you corner.
Say it again.
All you corner.
Yes. All you can is an insulting word, putting somebody in their place, telling them that they're too nosy. They're not to be all up in your business. All you can.
All you can.
Yeah. Say it again.
All you can.
Not all.
All you can.
All you can. I said, hey girl, all you can.
Hey girl, all you can. Go.
Yeah. So there you have the Jamaican expression, and you get babe spinning it right away. Tyler is sleeping, you guys, and I'm just here about to have some tea. I guess I'm English. I'm gonna have some tea. And
would you like some milk in your tea?
No. I'm gonna have some tea and finish up editing this vlog, and then
tired.
excuse me, guys. I'm really tired, and see if I can spend some time with babe before bed. Thank you guys for always watching. Thank you guys for all the love and all the support that you guys have been giving us. So proud of babe. He ran home today from work. He put the work in. So yeah, we'll catch you guys tomorrow in our next vlog. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.
Peace.